The Southeast Natural Resource Leader Group, or SNRLG, was charged to address the issue of climate impacts and vulnerabilities in the southeastern United States. Several workshops were held during Phase 1 to encourage cross-agency cooperation and to gain consensus through a structured process. During these workshops, SNRLG applied the Comparative Risk Assessment Framework and Tools, or CRAFT, which provided a venue to discuss agency differences and similarities. UNC Asheville's National Environmental Modeling and Analysis Center, or NEMAC, facilitated the workshops, which were originally developed by the U.S. Forest Service's Eastern Forest Environmental Threat Assessment Center, EFATAC. CRAFT is a staged process that helps groups determine their problem, identify potential alternatives, examine the effects and trade-offs of certain scenarios, and communicate their results. SNRLG identified 8 essential attributes that represented common themes across the agency in order to connect data to program values. The essential attributes and data identified during Phase 1 helped determine priorities for the Southeast. And during the workshop on April 26th through 28th, 2011, 11 study areas were identified as potential priorities for SNRLG using the essential attributes. The Albemarle-Pamlico area in North Carolina was selected as a final candidate for work to be completed in Phase 2. The goal of Phase 2 is to identify areas on the ground that have potential for adaptive capacity in the face of sea level rise within the Albemarle-Pamlico 20-county region. The selection process in Phase 2 revisits the work completed in Phase 1, including discussions about shared values, contributing factors that are outside of our control, and other processes related to sea level rise. The selection process includes 4 steps: prioritize areas based on 8 essential attributes, identify current resources that represent the agencies and create a map of mutual interest, determine prioritized areas that are impacted by sea level rise, and from these prioritized areas, identify 3 locations that are good federal investments for adaptive capacity. We will be using probability models, or influence diagrams and Bayesian belief networks, to help facilitate this selection process. To learn more about how probability models will help the selection process, please visit the following website for more videos and information.